Okay, what you can see here, we've set up two tiles. There's 600 identical tiles, 600 by 620mm porcelain tiles. We've got them side by side. The tile on the right hand side is just your standard tile, and the tile on the left hand side we've put a support panel underneath it. What we're going to do now is we're going to conduct a series of tests just to see if the panel has increased the point load of the actual paver itself. So what we'll do for the first one is we're going to drop a hammer at roughly 1.5 meters high. I'll just zoom in on the tape, you can see there. So we're going to drop the hammer on the first tile and we'll see what the effect is. Okay, as you can see there, the tile has broken. We'll do the same test now on the second tile, which has got the support panel underneath it. Once again at the 1.5 meters high. Let me zoom in on the tape measure so you can see the height. Okay, it's 1.5 meters. Okay, we'll drop the hammer. Okay, as you can see, the tile hasn't been smashed, it has broken though. So that's what we were expecting. So the whole intention now, I'll zoom in a bit closer. You can see there that it's actually cracked, but it hasn't shattered everywhere. So what we're going to do now, the whole purpose of this test is to see if the tile breaks. If an individual or person walks over the tile, it prevents them from falling through. Okay, we've got a person standing on it, and you can see there they can walk on and off, and the person won't get injured by falling through the tile. What we'll do now is we'll get two people standing on it, so we're looking at about 180 kilos. And you can see there, no issues, you can walk on and walk off.